Hello explorers and welcome back to my channel. I have flown from Seattle to Fairbanks, Alaska, and I have arrived at my hotel, the Hampton Inn Suites in Fairbanks, Alaska. In today's video, I'm going to take you on a tour of the hotel and room so you know where you should stay when you visit Fairbanks, Alaska. So make sure you stay tuned to the end so you can see all of the features of this hotel. And here on Key to Explore, I talk about all things travel, specifically for solo travel, photography, and sustainability. So thank you so much, and let's get into today's video. Oh my gosh, I am exhausted, you guys. My flight landed at 12:15 here in Alaska, Alaska is 4 hours behind my time zone. So I landed really at 4:15 a.m. I don't know, whenever I go west, I am like always messed up with my sleep. So with that said, I just checked into the Hampton Inn. It's also part of the Hilton chain, and I was able to use a digital key for the first time. Like, just last night when I was checked into the hotel in Seattle, a digital key would not work for some reason. So let's take a quick tour of this room, and I will finish touring the hotel in the morning after I wake up after a long night's sleep. Okay, there's the front door, and let's turn around and look out this window because they left the blinds open. So we're gonna look outside and see what it looks like here in Alaska in April. And you see there is plenty of snow on the ground and still some ice, or not some, a lot of ice. And over there to the right, under the awning there, you'll see the van for the hotel. It is a free shuttle, and they will pick you up and drop you off at the airport and train station for free. Let me turn around and turn on the lights so you can actually see what's inside this hotel room. I love luggage racks like this, unlike the ones with the cloth. And I love this bed. I love the backboard there. It's a beautiful color, and this bed was very comfortable to sleep in. There's a chair for you to relax in, as well as a desk. This room was very well decorated. I love the colors and the art pieces. As you can see, there's a TV for you to watch, and there's a refrigerator and microwave for you to use. Now let's go over to the bathroom, which is also well decorated, and it has plenty of towels, and it is very spacious. So speaking of moose, because of that painting back there, but on the way here from the airport was like maybe 15 minutes away from the hotel. But the driver said that 2 months ago, there was like a moose just living out in the parking lot. He said now the moose are starting to go back like just in the wilderness because it's getting warmer or whatever. But still in April, it is still peak time to see the northern lights out here, which is why I'm here and why I'm hoping I get to see them. I'm not going tonight to see them. Obviously, I'm going to get to bed, but tomorrow night I'm going to try to go see the northern lights. So, but anyway, stay tuned for that video. All right, but now I'm going to go to bed, and I'll finish touring the hotel in the morning. So I slept in very late and woke up and lounged around in the bed for about an hour and realized that breakfast was about to end. But this hotel has free breakfast from, I believe, 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. But definitely make sure you check with the front desk reps to make sure it hasn't changed. And as you can see, they have a wonderful spread, a nice hot breakfast, and it's free. Again, it's free. And they even have a nice little waffle bar, which was excellent to have with my breakfast.
Oh my god, they're not really cute right now.
So I'm actually getting ready to head on my tour, which you'll see in a different video, but I showed you outside last night from my hotel room, and I wanted to show you outside today. This is how it looked outside of my hotel room. think it's very pretty and just, quaint, serene, really nice. Now my tour, where's the clock in here? But my tour, they're coming to pick me up at 4:35. So I'm gonna take you downstairs to show you the rest of the hotel. There is a pool here and a workout area and a laundry room. So I'm gonna go give you a peek of that before my tour gets here. Let's go downstairs. Now I'm back downstairs on the first floor and I'm going to walk down, and up here on the left, right past the reception area is a business center with computers and a printer. As we keep going, you'll see the workout room. You have to use your key to get in the workout room, and I'm not gonna go in because someone is working out in there, but it is open from 6 a.m. to midnight. And then right next to the workout area is a pool. I did not go in a pool because I ended up using my swimsuit somewhere else, as you'll see in my next video, next Tuesday. But here is a pool if you want to come and access this, and you need a card to get in here as well. And the pool area is open from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. And as you keep going further down the wall, almost till you exit the hotel, there is a guest laundry room area where you have to use your key and get in there. And you will have to have change to use the machines. All right, so I hope you enjoyed seeing what this Hampton Inn looks like in Fairbanks, Alaska. I definitely have enjoyed my stay here. It's been very peaceful and the staff is really nice. So if you are ever thinking about coming to Fairbanks, I'd highly recommend checking this hotel out and staying here. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you have any questions, make sure you leave that down below in the comment box, and questions about this video, of course. And if you have not already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and a notification bell so you can be notified when all of my videos are released. And it helps me provide more and better content to you in the future. And make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and your social media networks. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out the video on the left or binge watch the videos in the playlist on the right. And also, if you need a free packing checklist or travel budget template, click the link down below in my description box. Thank you so much again.